Title: Ɡreɪ, the subtle beauty of neutrality. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡreɪ. Ɡreɪ is a color that falls between black and white, symbolizing neutrality and balance. It signifies the subtle and understated beauty of a color often associated with wisdom and sophistication. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡreɪ is simple, ɡreɪ, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, ɡreɪ is a versatile color that can create a calming and elegant atmosphere in interior design. Importance: ɡreɪ is a color that adds depth and sophistication to various aspects of our lives, from fashion and art to design and decor. Conclusion: in summary, ɡreɪ is a word that represents the understated elegance and balance found in the world of colors. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the versatility and beauty of ɡreɪ in our everyday experiences.